Stop doing these 5 common mistakes. In this video, I will tell you exactly 5 common mistakes for beginner photographers and explain how to avoid them. First mistake is about relying more on auto mode shooting. I know it's easier to work with auto mode, but if you are thinking for future switch to professional photography or commercial photography, I highly recommend to switch manual mode. And in my Instagram channel, I'm explaining the best settings that you can use in manual mode. If you would like, you can join and learn more about manual mode topic. Second mistake is about avoiding the light. So photography itself means literally drawing the light. So in photography, it means a lot. Especially if you use manual mode, you have to set by yourself ISO, shutter speed and aperture. Third mistake is about low composition. Composition, it doesn't mean only putting subject in the center. You can put on the left, right, up, down, it's totally up to you. But there are some details that you have to pay attention, is avoiding distraction on the background. In my previous video also I explained, if you have any subject on the background, for example, suddenly appears, people, car, I explained how to remove them using the Lightroom platform, and I can put the link below on description so you can check it out. Fourth common mistake is about over-editing or not editing at all. Remember that most of the guests, they book photoshoot with you, or your friends that ask you photoshoot, they prefer natural edits. Of course, if you are deciding to do a picture in black and white or more cinematic, more artistic 35mm that I'm sharing on my Instagram, you can check below at mgaro on Instagram, you may see different variety of style, but most of them I'm editing more naturally. Because more simple you edit, more beautiful they are. Fifth common mistake that photographers do is chasing better gear instead of practicing. Remember that better gear is not making you better photographer. For being better photographer, you have to work on yourself every single day, focus more on practicing instead of upgrading your gear. You have to take care more about the lighting, composition and your vision, timing. These things are more important than having expensive gear and expensive camera. Lastly, I would like to inform you that you can join my photography courses for free on Instagram channel or become my premium member on YouTube. In YouTube, I do provide premium membership offering where I'm giving you all recommendations, all tips about photography, how to become professional photographer from zero to hero, and also 4 times a month I provide one-by-one video call where we can discuss everything about the photography. And if you have any ideas or any comments regarding the video or any ideas you would like me record another video, please write on the comments. I'm happy to record another video to make your work easier. Thank you guys, have a great day and enjoy photography.